How to create editable digital products to sell on Etsy. So, Canva is a great platform to do editable products. Canva is a free site that you can use to edit any graphic layout that you need, may it be a PowerPoint presentation, a poster, a resume, a planner, and any other document. You can do it in Canva. It is also beginner friendly, so don't worry if you're new to graphic design. So to use Canva, go ahead and open its site. It's canva.com. If you're not logged in or you don't have an account yet, you can use your Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, and other options to make Canva account. Once you're done signing up or logging in, you will then be here in the homepage of Canva. This may look intimidating at first, but all you need to do here is to click on this Create a Design button, because this is where you can select or customize the size of your product. So for this video, I'll be creating a layout, a template layout for a wedding invitation. But it is all up to you if you want to sell a planner, a template of a monthly budget tracker, or an editable to-do list tracker, a meal planner. You can basically do everything in this Canva. Again, you can either choose the size here or click on the customized size to input the resolution that you want. It can be either pixel, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. If you don't have any idea on the sizing of the paper that you want, but you have a target product in mind, you can always use the search engine. So for me, I'll be typing in invitation, and from here, I'll just choose one. Once you select the size of your product, you will then be directed to another tab where you will see the editing page. So here you have a blank canvas that you can edit from scratch. So first thing to do is to choose the background color. Click on the square and then the color palette will then show. And then from here you can choose the color that you want. Since I am aiming for a wedding invitation, a very subtle brown or a beige color would be my background color. Now go to the left panel and here you have the Elements tab, the Text tab. This is the Brand tab, which is only available if you're subscribed to the Canva Pro plan. Below is the Upload tab, the Draw tab, and the additional applications. On the Elements tab, there is shapes, graphics, images, videos, audio, tables, frames, and any other elements that you can play around with to make the layout of your product. Now, since weddings always has flowers, I want a very subtle flower on the very back of the invitation. So let's search for flowers. You can type in any element that you want here and then browse from the results. Now click on the element that you like and then it will then appear on your canvas. I'll move on to the next tab, which is the Text tab. Here you can choose between the heading, the subheading, and the body. I'll be putting the date on the top. So let's say it is on January 1. So I'll just type in 01 and then below is 01 as well and then the year 23. And to change the font, click on the text first just to highlight it. And then click on the drop down menu here. And then the available fonts will then show. Once you are done with the font style, you can then increase or decrease the size of the font and then adjust its positioning on the page. After this, I think I want to lower its opacity, and to do that, click on this transparency icon and then just lower down the percentage to lower down its opacity. Another element in the front page of wedding invitations is the name of the bride and the groom, of course. So we will add that as well. For this one, I'll be using the subheading, but a shortcut that you can use is press the letter T on your keyboard and then a text box will then show on your screen. So for their names, I'll be looking for a cursive font, and once you're done with this, let's add a short sentence here that is usually on wedding invitations. And then for a clearer information, I'll also add a solid version of the date And then below that is the location and time of the wedding. From here, you can then add another page for the attire theme, the map of your location, the program, and other information that you can think of. Just let your ideas and creativity lead the way. Now, this is pretty simple, but let's say that you're done with the layout of your product. What you want to do now is to get the editable template link of your product. To do that, just click on the share button, click on more, and then find the template link icon here. Now, once this window appears, just click on the copy link. We will be pasting this link to the file that we will be selling on Etsy. So, create another file on Canva and then list the steps on how to use your template. So, the step 1 for this will be to sign up or log in for a Canva account. Step 2 is to click on this template link that we have. To do that, just add a text. So, for example, this would be the wedding invitation link or wedding template link. We will turn this into a hyperlink so that when the buyer click on the specific word or phrase, it will direct them to the template link that they can edit. So to do that, highlight the text, click on this icon, and then paste in the link of the template that we did a while ago. Now you can just finalize this final file that you will sell, align and add elements that will suit your theme or your branding, which for this one is for wedding. And then you can add the sample photos here or whatever element that you want to add. And after that, save the file as PDF. So again, click on the share button, download it, and make sure that this type is set to PDF standard. And then once you have the file, we are now ready to upload it on Etsy. So this is all the information that you need to fill in based on your product. But we will not delve into that because what's important here is the file type or the product type. Make sure to change this to digital. This will give you the ability to upload a digital file. So once you change it from physical to digital, wait for it to load and then just go down. Here, upload your file. Click on this and then choose your PDF file. As you can see, this will be the exact file that the buyer will get as soon as they check out and pay for your product. Again, this is the file, and once they click on here on the hyperlink that we did, the template that they can edit, in this case is the wedding invitation, will be available to them. So just finish the listing process and upload your template. So that is how to create editable digital products to sell on Etsy. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.